Alright, this is a 2004 free agent Eluder from Dan's Comp in 2004. It has Black Ops bars, Black Ops from Choreopolis Bike and Hobby, S&M grips, pretty well down. Has Mongoose Team Issue Flame Tire. It has the free agent stock forks. It has the Diamondback stem. It's got a Mongoose seat, Odyssey triple trap pedals. That's for dirt, but he likes them. It's got stock free agent cranks, 25 tooth Mosh, mahogany sprocket, just a Bell Walmart chain, piece of crap back rim, but it's whatever. Free agent tire, free agent, and well, that's basically the bike. My friend Matt, that's his bike. And yeah, I guess I'm probably gonna do another bike check on my friend's crappy bike, Mongoose. See ya.